How to activate your Netspend card without logging into any account. Let's get started. The first method is quick and hassle-free. Just call the Netspend activation hotline. Dial 1-866-387-7363 and you will be guided through an automated process. You will need to provide your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code. Once you have entered the details, your card will be activated and you are good to go. Person but don't want to log into your account, you can also activate your card through the Netspend website. Just head over to the netspend.com/account/activate, enter your card number and CVV code from the back of your card, then follow the simple instructions on the screen. In a matter of minutes, your card will be activated. And there you have it. Two simple ways to activate your Netspend card without logging into any account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.